National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Warren County, northwestern Ross County, northwestern Pickaway County, southeastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, Madison County, Greene County, Franklin County, Fayette County, northern Clinton County, Clark County, southern Champaign County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 13 miles north of Thackeray to State Route 63 and State Route 741, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Waynesville, Yellow Springs, Xenia, Springfield, Cedarville, Mechanicsburg, Wilmington, South Charleston, Sabina. In addition, Centerville, Pekin, Crystal Lakes, State Route 48 at State Route 73, Dialton, Thackeray, Lytle, and Northampton are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 38 and 102, Interstate 71 between mile markers 34 and 119, Interstate 75 between mile markers 30 and 48. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday evening for southeastern Indiana and northern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Monday morning for northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.
Today, now we have tornado warnings in central Ohio as well. Let's
A wind